Alright. Alright guys and girls, so I'm just getting some more of this done with the trimmer at the moment, with the Ryobi trimmer. Just cutting some of the bushes down here. I've actually got this, like these big massive pampas grass, all the way right down as much as I can. And I'm going to have to dig into the roots a little bit and get to the root of the problem, which is basically the roots itself. And then I've got all that stuff on the fence there, which I've got to get. But if I can get these roots out first, I'll be able to get behind this and just clean some of the fence up behind here, or this wired fence. And also with this as well, gonna basically chop down that the roots there. It's still growing, the plants here, the rose bushes, but they're really big, so I'm gonna have to cut them down to the root there, to the bottom, so they can regrow and take out all some of the green stuff there. Any of the brown stems out, because they're pretty much dead, I'll probably just chop them off at the bottom or something, just let the new roots grow through. And we've got these ones here, which are almost pretty much dead, because I didn't chop them back from last year, so we can just pretty much start from basics, just keep all those there, just chop all this around here, clean up this bit of the garden all the way down to here, because it's all the way along here, so I can clean up all this mess. And then at some point, sometime this week, try and clean down to the bottom of the garden down there. Try and clean down there and put my shed. I'm going to be putting my shed there and probably my greenhouse somewhere over this way, but it should be good. Anyway, cheers for watching guys and girls. I'll be back in a minute.